Say that again.
Amaramuma.
Alabamuna.
Okay. What's up, people? What's up, Africa? What's up, America? What's up, Colorado? And what's up to all my friends and fans? Guys, it's your boy Keno. Guys, I am live here at the Aurora Shopping Center. We call it Shopping Mall. Guys, this is a beautiful place. I am here to teach people how to speak Igbo language. Guys, Igbo is a universal language, a peaceful language that people need to learn more and understand. A language that has this sweetness in it, a language that is very versatile. Guys, I still remember my humble self, Keno. Guys, I will be interviewing people live. Stay with me, don't go nowhere. We're here to do this and we will do it for good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Keno. Guys, I am here live at the Aurora Shopping Center. I have these beautiful ladies with me and they are gonna introduce themselves. And like we all know, tonight, I will be teaching them how to speak Igbo language, the Igbo dialect from Nigeria. Are you guys ready for that?
Yeah.
So can you please tell us your name?
Talia.
Name?
Young.
Okay, Young. So we have two beautiful, amazing persons here tonight. So guys, I'm gonna teach them how to speak Igbo language. So have you guys heard about the Igbo language, like the dialect from Nigeria?
No.
Do you have Nigerian friends?
Yeah. Some, yeah.
You do?
Some.
Oh, okay. So where did you meet them? At school or what?
Yeah, I met at school.
At school?
Yeah.
What about you?
School.
School. Okay. What do you like doing?
Sports. I do theater.
Okay. So what sports?
Flag football, volleyball, basketball.
Oh, nice. What about you?
So sometimes musical theater, but mostly acting.
Oh, acting. Oh, nice. So you want to be an actor?
Not really. Not really.
Not really?
Not really. No.
Okay. Okay. That's cool. So now we're going to say something in Igbo language. And when I say, you repeat after me and you too. Okay. So first, we're going to say the basic words in Igbo language. Okay. You say ndewo.
Ndewo.
So you're going to say kedu ka imere.
What?
So okay, let's make it sure, guys. So you say kedu
Kedu?
ka imere.
Kaime?
What's going on here?
Okay. We're gonna do the second one.
What's going on here?
Afambo.
Afambo.
Oh my!
Last one. Abum onye ọma.